So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is hot as Hades today. Mid-90s, 100% humidity. Oh, I am melting. So, as I said guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cameron. And today, first things first, I'm going to check my walkaway splits and see if we have a laying queen. Hello ladies. Little black dog. Doing a great deal with that honey. Obviously don't have the numbers yet. So, time-wise, they should have a queen. Unless something has happened. And many things can happen. Just on a mating flight, she can be eaten by a bird. Or she comes back and they immediately reject her. I've got some capped honey. What I'm looking for is eggs or sign of eggs. They've started another queen cup. Can't see inside it because there's a bee inside it. I need to see if there's anything in there. Have to wait. So like I said, what we're looking for, if time-wise based, they should have a laying queen, and I see grubs. Yep. Yep, they have a laying queen. Lots and lots of grubs. And there was no grubs last week. So they're fine. Yeah, they have a queen. So that's a very good sign. Means that they created a new queen. She went out and there's another egg cup and they're filling that up. They've got a queen because they've got eggs. See if I can find her. Yeah, we've got several stages of larvae. So we've got a queen. I'd like to see her, see how big she is. Man, it's hot. I know the guys in Louisiana that I follow on YouTube, I know how they feel now. They're putting eggs in there, so she might be on here. I can't see her, but that's nothing new. We've got larvae all over, so I know they've got a queen. So I'll just put them back together. And they're doing great. They have a laying queen, so I'll just leave them to get on and do what they do. So next one, oops, let's put that on first. The next one, I'm going to look and see if they've drawn enough comb on number 5 for that overwintered queen to start laying. If they have been busy, if they've been busy, they should have made enough comb for her to start laying. Based on that queen, I'm sure she was pushing them to do so. Afternoon, ladies. How's it going down in there? Have you drawn out that comb for your queenie? I hope so, because I know she'll have been impatient. I can see capped brood. Yeah. Yeah, she is prolific. She is a prolific layer. She will have worked them dusk till dawn to get that capped out so that she could start laying. If you recall on the previous video when I did this artificial swarm, I sent her over with 2 frames of bees and her. So they had 2 frames of brood. Now they have 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 frames of brood. So number 4 has a queen, darling. And number 5 has gone from 2 frames of brood when they went in, so to 5 frames of brood now. So that overwintered queen cracked the whip and got them working. Oh yeah. Yeah, they are super happy and doing what they do. So that's good. She's going to build up that colony extremely quickly. I know, because the statistics of a queen laying 1,000 eggs a day, she's on board with that idea. She has been all her whole life. She's been a strong layer. They are doing great. They're very calm today. I guess it's because it's so hot and they've got so much to do. I'm going to take a little look at hive number 3. I think they've had another explosion of birth. I'm pretty sure they have. I've seen more activity. Ladies, it's only me. No need to panic. We seem to have more bees. Not much work up on that. Not much work up on here, but I screwed up and given too much room in between, and of course they've started laying screwed up frames. Started propolising. That's heavy. That's, oh, sorry, ladies. That's full of nectar. Brood. Brood. And this is the top box, so. Oh, yeah. She's well on her way to being a good laying queen. This is the brood super. And it's. We got brood on every frame nearly, so she's doing great. Well done, Queenie. You're doing a splendid job. So, number 1 and number 2, I'm thinking, doing it again, I'm thinking that they may have some honey that needs extracting. I don't think they'll be honey bound, but I think they will have honey in both those honey supers. I'm going to take a look, see what they've got going on. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to look in the honey supers. I'm glad the sun went in a little bit. I did a video in the vegetable garden a few days ago, and the sun was so burning hot that the battery got too hot on the camera and turned the camera off. I had to take a break. Ladies, you got some honey for me? Let's see what they're doing. I don't see honey, but I'm seeing capped. To go in the hive. Drawn comb. Capped honey on one side, nothing on the other. I'll turn that one around. That's whole capped on one side, and that's the edge of the. That's the edge of the honey barrier. I'm guessing that this is going to be capped both sides. Yep. That one can be. There's a lot of honey in that one. We can harvest some of this baby. There's at least one. One. There's 2. Yeah. Grab me 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. 5 frames, baby, please. And you're going to want your veil on. 5 super frames. So we've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are 100% capped, or either 100% on one side and 80 to 90 on the other. So I'm going to take them out and give them some more frames to work with. But Beautiful capped honey. I'll be interested to see if it's the spring honey, which I harvested last time. Wonder, we'll see, I guess, when I take it. I get Julie to help me when I'm taking the frames out. It just makes it easier because they try and follow the frames because it's theirs. You know, they don't like people stealing it. It is heavy. It is. Like I said before, this brush doesn't harm them at all. It's a very gentle brush. Put them on the floor at my feet, baby. And take that from me and then just stay there while I get them last few. Alright, you can walk away with that one. They're heavy, aren't they? So this time of year, you can take all the honey if you desire. They will build up the stores well before we get into the fall. Come a bit closer, baby. So I went in and extracted the honey, 5 frames of honey from number 2, but I forgot to check the queen cells. When I did the artificial swarm, they made 3 queen cells, and I want to check them cells. Ladies? How are you diddling? Now, they were all in the upper chamber, so that's all I'm going into. Lots of honey. Got some fresh honey and comb. You can put everything in your mouth. It's all edible. Is it? Is it as sweet or sweeter or less sweet than the other one?
A little less sweet, but a lot more flavor.
Different trees. Hello, ladies. Yeah, I know. It's hard as hell. Trust me. I want to have this done as quick as what you do. Days like this, I wish we had a swimming pool in. Yeah. So I'm looking for those 3 queen cells, and I want to see that they have been eaten out from the inside. Not seeing them at all. Pretty sure it was in this top super. I'll just check back on the video, but I'm pretty sure it was in this top super. It was only a week ago, so I would expect to still to see the cap, the cup, sorry, just either intact or eaten from the inside out. Well, we'll see nothing, so I've got my time frame wrong. They hatched out. Based on the weather right now, I'm not going any further in the hive today. Too damn hot. I'll look back on the video and see. I'm pretty sure it was in the super where the queen cups were. Pretty sure. All right, ladies, I'll leave you alone. All right. See you next week.